डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अर्थात बाहो के इतिहास में पहली बार कोई महिला अध्यक्ष बनी है। बाहो द्वारा होटल सेंटर पॉइंट में आयोजित समारोह में बाहो की पहली महिला अध्यक्ष के रूप में डॉक्टर त्रिशिला ढीमरे का पदग्रहण समारोह संपन्न हुआ। डॉक्टर त्रिशिला ढीमरे शहर के जानी मानी गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट है। उनके पदग्रहण समारोह में राज्य के ऊर्जा मंत्री तथा नागपुर के पालक मंत्री डॉक्टर नितिन राउत प्रमुखता से शामिल हुए। इसके अलावा शहर के कई गणमान्य लोग तथा डॉक्टर्स ने शामिल होकर उनके नए कार्यकाल के लिए उन्हें मंगल कामनाएं दी।
In the presence of our founder president and then the consecutive past presidents, our body is sworn in with a full enthusiasm.
वो कुऱ्हाड.
It was the motto of the Baho team that will empower the women and give an equal representation in our body. So, vice president, joint secretary, and treasurer, everywhere the women were represented. And this is how this program went on. A lot of deliberation went on, and then we decided that because of the prior commitments, that the 3 years tenure of Baho committee is a pretty long. So we plan to have a general body meeting and we have a tenure of two years only. And at the end what we saw at this the present or late president and a president elect, they were happily moving ahead. Our first program was a women empowerment program or a health awareness program at Santa Muktabai Girls Hostel. This program happened when the central government was thinking of lockdown, whether to go ahead with or there were no clear-cut direction. And we also thought that whether should we go ahead with this program or not. And with the inspiration for Dr. Kamble sir, then we decided that let this be a program of awareness program. Let these girl students should know that how the things should be done in the presence of COVID. And this is how the things went on. We can see that our present there are a lot of girl students who enthusiastically participated into it, and that program was very informative. Everybody has enjoyed. Not only enjoyed, everybody has benefited from that program. Dr. Siddhartha Gaikwad, who was the in charge of Deputy Director of Social Welfare Officer, he was instrumental in arranging all these things. We extended our thanks to him. No sooner we took sworn in as a body of 2021, our Joint Secretary Dr. Smruti Ramteke and Dr. Abhijit Mankar, they were very instrumental. And what they said, committed in that meeting, they were able to fulfill it. Today, we are witnessing that the Baho's website is because somebody has exerted a plenty for it. Thank you very much for that. On 12th March, there were protests which were going against the NPR, NRC and CAA. We have extended the support to it, and the lockdown was declared. That lockdown was though that has caged our body but was unable to cage our spirit. And with the compassion of Buddhism, we could think about what would be the plight the people were experiencing, and a step towards humanity, a multi-pronged approach to help the distressed people were done.
मंचावर उपस्थित सर्वांना ऊर्जा देणाऱ्या आदरणीय ऊर्जा मंत्री नितीनजी, मंगलाताई, त्यानंतर कल्पना ताई, त्यानंतर माझे मोठे बंधू चंद्रशेखरजी आणि ज्यांनी इंट्रोड्यूस केलं त्या राजनंद टिंकल नेहा, थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. Indeed, it was a really challenging task for me to introduce Know Your President. And she has A to Z character. And it was challenge for me which character I should pick. So first thing, she is my batchmate. She is my batchmate. She is my best friend. And also she is my younger sister. So it's a privilege for me to introduce the president of BAHO. And that is none other than Dr. Trishala Dembre, right? So you can see in this slide, yes, about Trishala, she graduated from Government Medical College and Hospital, Nagpur. She got admitted in 1976, then she did her DCH, pediatrician. Then during her internship, she married to a great physician who graduated from MGIMS Sevagram, Dr. Krishna Kumar Dembre, right? So this is how the story of Trishala. You can see on the screen that the most smiling, she got the award from her batch, the most smiling face award, right? Which was held in Akola, and I think you will agree with my comment that she is most smiling, right? And you see her education, यहाँ त्रिशला की काफ़ी उपलब्धियाँ है. रिसेंटली उसको गोल्ड मेडल भी मिला है नागपुर के गायनी सोसाइटी की ओर से. और ये जर्नी में मुझे खुद को बहुत सारी चीज़ें त्रिशला के बारे में पता चली, जो मैं आपके सामने अनफोल्ड करने की कोशिश करूँगा. थोड़ा सा टाइटल जैसा बोला ना मैंने कि त्रिशला को इंट्रोड्यूस करना मेरे लिए बड़ी चैलेंज की बात थी. उसके पास जो क्वालिटीज़ है A to Z आहे. त्रिशलाचे भाऊ बहीण म्हणजे मोठी ताई चंचलाताई, त्यानंतर मंगलाताई आपल्यासमोरच बसलेल्या आहे. त्यांनी तुम्हाला ती त्रिशलाची मोठी बहीण आहे. सी इज डायरेक्टर अँड हेड, आणि त्यांनी वन एंट्री विंडो जे म्हणतो ना आपण नीट, त्याची ती मालक आहे, भारतातली जनक आहे. त्यानंतर त्रिशला आणि नंतर उर्मिला, तिची लहान बहीण, तिचं तुम्हाला तिचे मनोगत ऐकायला मिळेल. आणि भाऊ नरेशचंद्र, हा तिचा भाऊ, ज्याने मला वाटते तो सध्या म्हाडाचा आर्किटेक्ट आहे. आणि त्रिशलाला 2 मुली आहेत. एक मोठी अनुश्री जी अमेरिकेला असते, तिचे मिस्टर विजय, ते सुद्धा अमेरिकेला असतात ॲमेझॉनमध्ये. त्यानंतर त्रिशलाची लहान मुलगी अपूर्व, जी मुंबईला आहे. तिचे मिस्टर अनिकेत, हे मुंबईला गोदरेज कंपनीत आहे. आणि सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं ह्या रुग्णसेवेत मला वाटते इथे त्रिशला ही पहिली असेल जिने आपल्या मुलीचं सिजेरियन स्वतः केलं आहे. तिने आपल्या मुलीचं सिजेरियन, याला खूप गट्स लागतात, असा तिचा नातू आहे राजे अर्जुन. त्यानंतर कृष्णकुमार सर जे माझ्यासमोर बसलेले आहे, ज्यांनी आदरणीय मंत्र्यांचं स्वागत केलं आहे, ते MGIMS सेवाग्रामचे आहे, 73 बॅचचे. इंटर्नशिपमध्ये त्रिशलाचं लग्न झालेलं आहे ह्या बचपन आता. आणि एक फोटो तुम्हाला आठवत असेल, मी तिथं मुद्दाम टायटल दिलं मूनलाईट फोटो स्टुडिओ 1976 त्या पिक्चरमध्ये. तर मूनलाईटचा जे माझ्याच वयाचे असेल बर्डीवर मोठं होर्डिंग होतं, इफ यू आर ब्युटिफुल विल कॅच युअर ब्युटी, इफ नॉट विल मेक यू ब्युटिफुल. आपल्यातले बरेचसे आहे ज्यांनी मूनलाईटला ब्युटिफुल केलं, पण आपल्यासमोर खुद्द ब्युटी इथे आहे. तर असा हा त्रिशलाचा बचपन से बचपन हा जर्नी चालला. तिच्या मुली झालेल्या इथे आहेच, कन्यारत्न. नंतर इंटर्नशिपमध्ये रबने बना दी जोडी. बरेचदा आपण म्हणतो प्रत्येक यशस्वी पुरुषाच्या मागं एक स्त्री असते, पण त्रिशलाचं जसं ती अजून माझं म्हणू शकते भाऊ हे काय, तर त्रिशलाच्या मागे मला जे वाटलं एक कमिटेड हजबंड आहे. कमिटेड, आय विल कॉल हिम कमिटेड हजबंड. येस, राईट. दुसरं ह्या स्टोरी गुंतानी मला एक युजली काय असते, कोणती तरी स्त्री आपल्या सासरी पॉप्युलर असते किंवा माहेरी पॉप्युलर असते, पण ही तिचा जलवा दोन्हीकडे आहे, तिचा जलवा दोन्हीकडे आहे अशी ही त्रिशला. ये क्या बात है, देखो ऑडियंस से भी देखो, ऑडियंस के भी इसी को बोलते हैं नो योर. ये मेरे लिए बड़ा टास्क था, आपने आधा थोड़ा सा कंप्लीट कर दिया, थैंक यू. तो ऐसे ये स्टोरी के साथ रब ने इनकी जोड़ी बना दी. और जोड़ी के बाद फिर त्रिशला ने पहले DCH किया GMC से, शादी के बाद उसने MD गायनी किया. सर ने भी इन सर्विस. क्या हुआ उसके बाद की आगे स्टोरी और जो बोलते ना अनफोल्ड करना. यहाँ ब्युटिफुल कपल दिख रहे आपको, म्हणजे त्यावेळेसचं जोडपं आपण म्हणतो ना, मान खाली घातलेली त्रिशला दिसते आहे, पण त्या त्रिशलाची नंतर हातात छडी घेऊन सुद्धा आहे. तुमची एका पिक्चरमध्ये पाहाल तर हातात छडी असलेली त्रिशला आहे. त्रिशलाचं असं मंगलमय जीवन चालताना तिला 2 कन्यारत्न झाल्या. ब्युटिफुल गर्ल्स अँड दे आर व्हेरी डायनॅमिक and also they are following the route and path of father and mother. So this was Trishala and Krishna Kumar's 25th marriage anniversary, which was celebrated by nothing else but Defense Forces. So you can see in this picture Trishala and Krishna Kumar sir. Trishala in आपल्या नवारी लुगड्यामध्ये आहेत, छान जोडपं दिसतं आणि इतरही लोक छान त्यांचा आस्वाद घेत आहेत. ही गोष्ट बहुतेकांना मलाही नव्हती माहीत. दो त्रिशला इज माय बॅचमेट, आय वॉज नॉट नोईंग सी सर्व्ड द आर्म फोर्सेस. दिस इज समथिंग आय मस्ट सॅल्यूट यू त्रिशला, आय मस्ट सॅल्यूट यू सर फ्रॉम हियर बोथ. नाउ सम स्टोरी regarding their service to the armed forces. They were they were in that is the central, you call it as CRPF. And CRPF is more popular because आता नुकताच जो हल्ला झाला, CRPFचे जवान शहीद झाले, आता त्याच्यामुळं CRPF सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे. आणि तुम्हाला सांगायला हे मला वाटते की जेव्हा यांचं पोस्टिंग गुवाहाटी, जम्मू काश्मीर, श्रीनगर, पहलगाम ह्या आणि अमरनाथ यात्रेत ह्या असताना यांच्या त्या CRPFच्या आपण काफिला म्हणतो, ज्यात त्रिशला होती, सर होते आणि दोन्ही मुली होते, यांच्यावर ग्रेनेडची अतिरेक्यांनी 2दा हल्ले केलेले आहेत. त्यातले हे सर्वायवल आहे. आज सर्वायवल असणारं कपल ज्यांनी देशाची सेवा केली आहे, आपल्या जवानांची सेवा केलेली आहे, अशी त्रिशला तिथे असती तर कदाचित मला कळलं की त्रिशला जर आर्म फोर्सेसला CRPFला असती, सी जॉईंड ॲज असिस्टंट कमांडंट. But I could gather from the information that if she could continue in the armed forces CRPF, she could have been retired by this now additional director general with 3 star. That that could be her status in the armed forces. And Mr. Krishna Kumar retired as deputy inspector general from CRPF. Right? That was something I thought I must share with you. और सरकार का हमेशा इन्होंने पालन किया. इन्होंने देश की सेवा की. कहीं मेरी स्लाइड तो गलत, हाँ अरे नहीं, हाँ वही बोला, कुछ तो गड़बड़ हुई है. देश की सेवा करते करते आज जो टाइटल है बाहो का, दैट इज़ पे बैक टू योर सोसाइटी. आई थिंक त्रिशला इज़ फॉलोइंग दैट. एंड दिस पिक्चर शोइंग अगेन, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी to see the honorable minister was there to inaugurate the same service of Trishala Rugna Seva. And the picture is her grandchild. You can see in that अपने खुद की बेटी का सीजर करके उसके हाथ में नानी ने अपना ग्रैंडसन देना, ये मेरे लिए बड़ा चैलेंजिंग टास्क लगता है एज अ सर्जन. तो ये है उसकी रुग्ण सेवा. हमेशा वो व्यस्त रहती है और सरकार का पालन करती है. हम दो हमारे दो का नारा का भी फॉलो करती है, इसलिए मैं A to Z बोला. ठीक है, ऐसा ये पूरा जर्नी है. बेटियां दिखती है त्रिशला, उसमें बैलेंस है. एक बेटी तो काफ़ी बड़ी है, दूसरी छोटी है. तो ऐसा ये काफ़ी मिलाजुला त्रिशला का इंट्रोडक्शन आहे. तेथे कर्म आजे जुडती ज्या आईनी त्रिशलाला घडवलं त्या आई आहे. आणि त्या आईची सेवा करण्यात ह्या सगळ्या बहिणी ह्या पिक्चरमध्ये तुम्हाला दिसत आहेत. सगळ्या बहिणींनी नातवंडांनी त्या आईची खूप चांगली सेवा केली आहे. अशा ह्या प्रेसिडेंटला तुमच्या समोर इंट्रोड्यूस करायला माझे हात जुडतात, त्या मातेला सुद्धा जुडतात.
I request on the dais, off the dais, dignitaries, delegates, to kindly pay tribute to our beloved ones, to whom we remember a lot. And I request everyone for 2 minutes and to mourn for them. आप हमेशा हमारी यादों में रहोगे, कभी न भूल पाएंगे. ऐसे व्यक्तिमत्व थे लेट अनिल गेडाम सर, our past president Dr. Krishna Kamble sir, my beloved sister Dr. Pramila Ramteke ma'am, Dr. Indra Prakash Gajbhiye and late Dr. Nana Meshram. We really pay regards and we owe to you for your all services for humanity. Yes, I bring my greetings from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Health Organization from Team Baho 21-22. And acceptance, it's a very challenging job. For accepting, I have to acknowledge, and I acknowledge the dignitaries on the dais, none other than our Nitin Bhau, Honorable Minister for Energy and Guardian Minister Nagpur, for his august presence. Our own Tai, Padma Shri Dr. Kalpana Saroj Tai, my own sister, my elder sister, Dr. Mangala Kohli, our own role model, Dr. none other than Chandrasekhar Meshram sir. I have to acknowledge others as well. And if I have to acknowledge, I have to acknowledge the Baho's patron first. Baho's patron is none other than Dr. Honorable Nitin Bhau sir. All the founders, presidents, all the past presidents and past secretaries, all academic advisories, respected seniors, teachers, all Baho members and Baho families. I have to acknowledge as well the people, those who are instrumental. My all invited guests, all respected guests, caring and my supportive family and family members, my all concerned relatives, my committed friends, all the journalists, media people, pharma colleagues, SS event, office staff, and the indirectly supporting staff, as well children and ladies and gentlemen. I pay my sincere regards and gratitude to each one of you. People says the acceptance is a journey of joy. I do not know about this, but yes, I have to, on my acceptance, I have to commit to something. And when I have to commit for something, I have to first tell you, it's my moral responsibility to tell you the history of Baho in brief. Babasaheb Ambedkar Health Organization is founded 30 years back in the year 1993, and the birthplace is Nagpur. It was founded by the medical officers then working with health services, and Dr. Chandrika Pure sir was the instrumental behind this foundation, and our first founder president was Dr. Pinkpal Gaukal sir, followed by Baliram Bansur sir, Dr. Sanjeev Kamble and Ganesh Ramteke. As well, the legacy was taken ahead by Dr. Sanjeev Chahande from the year for 2-3 years, Shankar Khobragade sir, Dr. Suchit Bagde and Ashok Kamble sir. Then later we lost Dr. Krishna Kamble sir. It's a time to recognize and honor the contributions and the sacrifices that man makes for the betterment of society, because everyone works for ourselves and our families, but the person who works for the society, he needs to be honored. And I salute to all the founders, all the past presidents and all the past secretaries for their strong determination, devotion and tireless efforts, which has fulfilled the dreams of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar as far the medical fraternity is considered. Then the day 27th was there, June 2021, and there it is decided to elect the president. And 30th of June, the last day of June, was the day where everyone elected me in general body meeting as the president of Society Baho. Believe me friends, I was just quiet. I had no words because lots of confusion and the turmoil was going in my head. Because I am a family person, so lot many things are going on, and yes or no I was keeping that whole night with yes or no. Because president is a demanding job. And you have to sacrifice your family time, your professional time, your own time and your practice time, everything. But what Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar said, it's a duty of intellectuals who can guide the society. And that sentence brought me to this position. And then I looked for my inner strength, whether I'm really capable of taking all these challenges or not. Then the overnight I thought of paying back to society, and we formed our logo with pay back to society, and it is a logo of Team Baho 2021 and 22. So all my dear friends, I would want a big applaud from you. But with applaud, what I will do? I have to work from 1st of July. What I have to do? I was thanking people in believing me and electing me as a president. I was very much delighted. But I have to decide some agenda. And what I did, I have to engage myself, I have to involve, I have to immerse, and I have to interact with these guidelines. I just thought of increasing my Baho family, interacting with people, making new members, academics for the professionals to keep them updated, social activities, yes, very important in a society, health checkup camps, blood donations, Prabodhan Vyakhyan on very special days which are followed in Ambedkar and Buddhism. As well, the helping hand for the needy. And from here, we have never looked back. So we made a Team Baho and we become stronger together. And all my respected dignitaries and on the dais of the dais, just see what was the outcome of this 5 months, 5 days. Because I had no time to decide any agenda. And I have to start working from the 1st of July. We have never stopped then later. And from 1st of July, I have taken as the president of Baho. And we have thought of why not to felicitate our own members, the founder members, and we have felicitate all these our founder members, including Malti Tai Chandrika Pure. Later, no stop to the academic activities. We have completed in 5 months, 5 days. We have completed almost 12 academic activities. And in large, if I want to mention the dengue was a pandemic everywhere, and we had thought of taking and putting the efforts on our dengue CMEs and giving knowledge to all our society member on this so that they can treat dengue very well. We have taken the October month as a breast cancer awareness as it goes on with the WHO, and entire world celebrate October month as a breast cancer awareness, and yes, we have did it, and it was all nationally telecasted. We have an international webinar as well. Good practices, and all over India people have joined, and we are very much thankful for all the people, those who have joined from all over India. We have celebrated World Heart Day. Yes, दिल है तो जहान है. वर्ल्ड हार्ट डे हमने 29 सितंबर को मनाया है, जिसमें हमारे सोसाइटी के कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट ने बड़ा योगदान दिया है. विद दैट the eyes are beautiful to see the world, and we should see the world later also once the soul goes off. So the eyes donation fortnight was celebrated, and the Mala Kamble madam was the instrumental behind this. We have educated people with various means. We are conducting every time the Dhamma tips as well. We have not forgotten Dhamma and social as well. The academic goes parallel. Dhamma tips as well, educational tips, public awareness tips, and the women empowerment tips is ongoing process in the Bahu society. The main achievement and the major achievement in these 5 months, because our society had no credit points and it was lying dormant. We were not having any credit points. So we have taken initiative and we got the MMC points accreditation renewal till 2023. If I talk for social activities, that is Prabodhan. My dear brother Nitin Bhau had been there as an orator. He had given us many of the Prabodhans, and the main Prabodhan which was telecasted in India was Dhammachakra Pravartan Dinacha Purva Sandhela. धम्म प्रबोधन व्याख्यान, आणि त्याच्यामध्ये प्रामुख्याने नितीन भाऊ होते, सोबत आमचे मेश्राम साहेब होते, पूरणचंद्र मेश्राम साहेब, सरोज मॅडम होत्या, सरोज डांगे मॅडम, रूपाताई कुलकर्णी. सोबतच आम्ही एक खूप मोठा कार्यक्रम घेतला होता, दॅट इज स्वातंत्र्य भारताच्या ऐतिहासिक पर्वात डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकरांचे अमूल्य योगदान. आणि हा खूप प्रत्येक जणांनी फोन करून सांगितलं आहे की हा कार्यक्रम खूपच चांगला झाला. आवाज इंडिया TV, थँक्स टू देम, they have showed it nationally. We have taken blood donation camps as well, and we have taken one blood donation camp on the birthday of our patron in Madgi Nagar, and my title was that Raktadan se muh na mode. As well, we are doing health checkup camps. We have done on the Dhamma Diksha Samaroha as well on the 9th October, Dada. Dhammachakra Pravartan Din was celebrated, and it was very well covered by the media and print. As well the Samvidhan Divas, which was also covered. I am a public awareness person, and I keep doing my public awareness regularly. So even on the world population stabilization, I did my public awareness. I am a person of how to prevent cancer of breast and cervix. So I take it publicly. You can see me on YouTube. And this has all been done in these 5 months. Executive body meetings we have conducted till now 4, as and when the necessity arises. Yes, we are having a culture in our Baho. A Baho team is dedicated for greeting our members, and we greet our members. And today, how can we forget to greet a very happy birthday to Deepa Jahagirdar, Dr. Gajbhiye, and Dr. Nakhale sir. Today's birthdays, girls and boys. Baho social media platform. Yes, it was created long back, 2 years back, but since it was lying dormant, we have to take initiative to make it live, viable, and Baho Media is there on the website. We have a website, we have YouTube, we have Facebook live page as well the Twitter. Anyone can see this, and it's very proudly I'm announcing today that for all the life members go on website, fill up the form, go up to submit. You have to mention your transaction ID or your check number with the date. After a week, our treasurer or our secretary, every weekly, they will check the accounts and they will allow on the website. Once they allow on the website, your life membership will be coming on your email ID itself. So we are making it paperless. And the man behind is Dr. Paresh Kamble, who is a PhD person, and the helping hand is Sunil Kashyap. Yes, when I took over, this society is of the members of 400 people. In last 30 years, there are 400 people, they are members in this Baho society. But when we took as a team Baho 21-22, I could gather what I could see today on the counter, I could gather in this 5 months 70 life members. And it's a long journey people have done in this 30 years. So it's a great credit goes to my team. And our Barsagade sir is the chief co-chairperson for this. When we have taken up, we have only 3 lakhs in Baho account. But in 5 months, 5 days, I could gather for the Baho. It's a teamwork, again I'm saying. We could gather 7,50,000. My would-be plans for Bahos will be Youth Yug. Believe me, friends, this is the Yug of youth. And I totally believe that youth should come forward. Without youth, you cannot take any of the societies, any of the agendas, any of the programs ahead, because today's youth is an innovative brain. And they will perform better than us. Baho is giving platform to all the youths. This is the foundation. From this platform, they can go to national and international platforms. So I request all the parents, those who are sitting over here, and their youths are becoming doctors, kindly motivate them to come very freely and frankly to Baho platform. And use this platform, it is for the youth only. So would-be plans will be, Nitin Bhau, office for Baho. We have taken up this matter with the state government, with our brother, Minister Nitinji Raut. We will keep doing public awareness, women empowerment, and International Women's Day celebration. I request all the ladies of Baho to come forward for celebrating this day. Baho's children's sports and cultural activities should be celebrated. There will be recreation as a family get-togethers, awareness on the health issues, as well the symposia, academics, and this all will go on. And the youth will be the part of it. This is the team Baho 21-22, and these are the subcommittees of 21-22. I welcome the entire team and all subcommittees members on today's installation. See, it's a joint responsibility because we are having many challenges and many future plans to be executed in a smooth manner for the benefit of society. And for this, I sincerely expect the full cooperation from all of our members, our own patron, our advisories, our past presidents, our office bearers, executive committee members, all subcommittee members, all Bahoites and Baho members. Kindly support as and when required. There may be some issues, and the youth must be having, or even our generation people must be having ideas. Kindly come forward. Your ideas will again help us to run better. And I am very pleased that because of all your seniors, all office bearers, executive committee members, we have come this long for helping me out. Yes, I promise that I will try hard in my capacity with sincerity, honesty, and integrity to fulfill my dreams of medical fraternity as well as the social responsibility and the Buddhist philosophy to spread amongst the members. But while though I'll be serving this organization with the meticulously, I may fail, and no one is 100%. So kindly excuse me then. Success there, it will be a teamwork, and if there is a failure, I want to take all the responsibility on my shoulder. Expression of deepest gratitude to none other than my fraternity brotherhood for throughout support. Dr. Shankar Khubragade and Dr. Suchit Bagde, you are always there for me. जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, ringtone is already there. 365 days, anybody, anywhere, any can get the support from all these two brothers. As well, our role model, Dr. Chandrasekhar Meshram sir. Sir, because of you, we all could do this much. And he is allowing us to use all his Zoom platform free of cost. My sincere, deepest gratitude. If I'll be wrong if I'll not put my Gurujans from whom I'm learning a lot day by day. Wagmare sir, Gedam sir, Mala Kamble ma'am, you are my godmother, and Dr. B.S. Gedam sir, Raut sir. Sir, thank you very much for guiding me every time. My deepest gratitude. My deepest gratitude to Dr. Satish Devpujari. He has donated generously his life-saving ventilator to Baho. What else a Baho can need more than that? Because this ventilator during Corona days have saved so many lives. And this is the creation of Satish Medinova. And really, sir, sincere thanks to the entire Satish team. I again, my deepest gratitude to none other than our President-elect Dr. Sanjay Ramteke sir for generously donating a projector to Baho so that Baho need not to pay any pie for this projector. For any of the program, thank you very much and my sincere thanks. I want to thank and extend my all gratitude to Dr. Sangeeta Gedam ma'am. I would like Sangeeta ma'am and her family to come forward, Saket and Manvi, to kindly come forward, and we will all join in paying tribute to Anil Gedam. This Gedam family has donated rupees 1 lakh in the memory of late Dr. Anil Gedam's oration in installation ceremony. Our sincere thanks to you, ma'am. All the Gedam family. Dr. Late Gedam will always be in our memories, and thank you for supporting Baho with rupees 1 lakh for his oration. Yes, our helping hands for today. A list is long, and everyone should read out his name by his own. Without your help and support, it wouldn't have been possible today. Thank you very much, and my sincere regards to each one of you. Regards to pharma companies, Healthberries, Palmares, Aristo, Sukhaya, Estimate, Macloids, Alchem, Indigo and Cipla. Thanks for your kindness and educational grant for the function. Thank you very much. आभार आमच्या दादांचे, आमचे नितीन भाऊ. त्यांनी आपल्या नॉर्थ नागपूर जी त्यांची मतदारसंघ आहे त्यांचा, तिथे भाऊनी 1165 कोटीचा प्रोजेक्ट आणला आहे. सुपर स्पेशालिटी, मल्टी स्पेशालिटी, 23 स्पेशालिटीज, नर्सिंग कॉलेज, फार्मसी कॉलेज, ट्रेनिंग सेंटर, everything all together for the helping society, and it's a dream project of Bhau. And we are very much proud that the Bhau is our patron. So very a big round of applause for Bhau. And before I conclude on this slide, I just want to see this dream for society project of 11,065 crores. Please, तक्षशिला वागधरे मॅडम. आभार मॅम, तुमचे खूप खूप अनेक आभार. रूपाताई, सरोज डांगे मॅम, पूर्णचंद्र मेश्राम, देवीदासजी घोडेस्वार, प्रदीप आगलावे सर, शैलेंद्र लेंडे सर आणि प्रभाकर पावडे सर. तुमच्या आपके बिना मेरी कोई भी सोशल एक्टिविटी कंप्लीट नहीं हो सकती थी. Important for the today's installation is Sumit Wagmare, Vikas Vaidya, then Kiran Rajderkar, all press and media, Aman Kamble, Manjusha, Manisha, all other press and media. The commendable staff, to tell you, Rakshit and Anup is anytime available for any services. Vijay Nikose, Shri Purva Hospital staff. I have to thank my staff for this. And none other than Mr. Naresh Gaikwadji. The face is well known to everyone. He is working day and night. And I would also like to thank all the other volunteers, those who have helped us to achieve this achievement. None of the function is completed without the sparkling stars. And the today's sparkling stars are speakers, chairpersons, of course. But who else? The master of ceremony take the lead, and they are the captain of today's installation ceremony. As well, if the audience is there, it's a hats off to audience. They are all made the function sparkle. Yes, at the end, love you Zindagi for your unending support. I pray my parents, because of them I am in front of you. I belong to plot 601. I am married to Dr. Krishna Kumar Dhimre. I have 2 beautiful daughters and son-in-laws. As well, I have my one Raja Arjun. दिल से धन्यवाद मेरे सभी फैमिलीज़ को, फैमिली रिलेटिव्स को, माय ऑल फ्रेंड्स. फिर से एक बार दिल से धन्यवाद सभी को. आई एम इंडेप्टेड बिकॉज it is such an honor to be elected as the president of Baho. I am humbled that you have shown faith in me, and I would like to thank the entire Baho members for the opportunity and choosing me to represent you in the organization and to serve the organization. Thank you, audience. Thank you very much, all the august audience. And yes, at the end, when I think, I look back at me, really, it allows, because the president, if you have become a president, it tells you right from the day one, you have to listen to people, you have to be very submissive, you have to open for everyone, and I believe I am little bit on this path. So thank you all. And when I think that when you do some karma, जेव्हा तुम्ही शुद्ध मन असाल तर शुद्ध विचार येतात, शुद्ध विचार असले की कर्म शुद्ध असतात आणि त्याचे परिणाम नेहमीच शुद्ध असतात. दिस इज माय बिलीफ अँड थँक यू ऑल. थँक यू व्हेरी मच.
Guardian Minister and Patron of Baho, Dr. Nitin Raut. Guest of Honor, Dr. Kalpana Saroj. Dr. Mangala Kohli, President Baho, Dr. Trishara, other dignitaries on the dais, past presidents of Baho, newly installed team members, dignitaries in the audience, and friends. It's a great pleasure to be here for this very elaborate installation ceremony. Thank you, Dr. Amrut, for your kind words. I am grateful to Baho for this felicitation. I feel really honored because today I was felicitated along with my teachers, Professor B.G. Wagmare, Dr. Raut, Dr. B.S. Gedam, Dr. Mala Kamde, from whom I learned a lot of things. It's a great honor to be felicitated along with them. I am aware that I am talking to a very elite group who have achieved great heights and are role models for the society and do not need additional words of wisdom from me. There are some younger ones, though, in the audience, and I would like to say that please dream big and pursue your goals with hard work. Look out for a chance of visiting the best institute in the country and abroad. It will change your thinking and perception, and you will learn the art of time management. The biggest hurdle in life is ego. Sometimes it is good to put your ego in a box under the bed. There is so much of freedom in being nobody. We live in a society where everyone is obsessed with getting credit for every little thing you do. The society needs dreamers. The society needs doers. But above all, the society needs dreamers who do. And the new president, Dr. Trishula, falls in that category. If we want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. So the great team is important, and I congratulate and wish all the best for the president and a newly installed team for achieving greater heights with new ideas. Payback to the society is the theme, and you will have to put in ideas, and to fulfill them, you will have to do it with commitment and dedication. And lastly, I would like to quote Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar that the men are mortal, so are the ideas. An idea needs propagation as much as the plants need water. Otherwise, both will wither and die. Thank you very much and all the best.
Jai Bhim, Namo Buddhaya. I think our honorable guest, chief guest, Dr. Nitin Rautji, who is the renewable energy minister, and is a guardian minister for the Nagpur city as well, and is a renewable energy minister for the state of Maharashtra. Madam Kalpana Saroj, Padma Shri, and she is a great lady, iron lady, madam. Dr. Meshram, you have no you don't need any introduction to be there as the international faculty and international figure. Dr. Sakhre and Dr. Rajesh Manvatkar, Dr. Niketan Jambudkar, and President, the selected President. It is my proud privilege to be here in front of you. I think after 42 years. When I left Delhi, I was totally busy with my family because I am married for 41 years. I am always married for 41 years, and I am coming here, I think, after 43 years because I got married in before MBBS only. and I started having my children. Completed my MBBS. I had one daughter. She is already in the USA, and I did my MD after my son was born. So, so it really give me to welcome you all congratulate to all the dignitaries, all the members who are the newly elected Bahu members. I must congratulate Dr. Trishula Dhemre, and I just want to speak just half a minute for her. You know what? Okay, so I want to just tell everybody that you get chance once in a lifetime to do something. When I shifted to Ministry of Health and Family Welfare as a full-fledged, and I was there for 7-8 years, then 2 years they make me pulled again from the teaching cadre that you have to come here. So I was almost there for 10 years in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. And I just remember when I went there as an anatomist, I said, now let me research all the things कि क्या है ये नीट क्यों हुई है, क्यों एग्ज़ाम हो रहा है, क्यों इतने सारे केसेस होते हैं, कौन सा चेन्नई वाला किसी बंदे को श्रीनगर की सीट दी जाती है, जम्मू कश्मीर की नहीं, जम्मू की सीट दी जाती है, एंड आंध्र प्रदेश एंड जम्मू कश्मीर क्यों नहीं है नीट में, एम्स क्यों नहीं है. सो आई वांटेड पीपल वाज रियली हैविंग lot of problems before they get into the admission. They used to have spent almost their their treasury, whatever they have saved into their service time. Before admission, every parents used to spend 20 lakhs rupees getting a child there into admission, because there was 50 exams. They were conducting 50 exams in all over country for undergraduate, 25 exams in all over country for postgraduates, and there was lot of accidents were happening, lots of suicidal case. There was I took up on the history of the suicidal cases for almost 10 years, 20 years. There's lot of suicidal cases was happening because of the medical admissions. So then I thought of it, let me take a lead of it and then do something. So from 2007 and 8, I implemented the reservation in admission. That is in the SC/ST reservation and the disability reservations. Every 33 candidates will get the seat. Then there was lot of court cases were happening. So my only duty to be there from 9 o'clock till 12 o'clock in the Supreme Court, and 12 to 5 in the High Court, and then from 5 to 8:30, 9 o'clock in the office. And of course, my husband is always been cooperative for my job. Any kind of things, he is always ready. Okay, do it, because my children were in the abroad. They were in USA. So I could do it for my society. So after implementing, and then again I slowed down, because once the Simran Jain versus Union of India, I have filed this case because this girl was refused the admission. And there were so many people were refusing the admissions, so I used to pay the lawyer also, and please मैंने कहा चलो ये 10,000 रुपये ले लो, 2-3 केसेस करो, एप्लीकेशन दो, मैं दे देती हूँ एडमिशन. बट इस बच्चे को वहाँ पर भी एडमिशन नहीं दिया. मैंने कहा यू कम हियर नाउ, देर इज़ नथिंग, आई एम नॉट, बिकॉज आई एम अ पर्सन, आई डोंट लिसन anything, anything goes wrong with anybody, I don't like to tolerate such thing. I said, you come here, sign on this application. I stood with her in the Supreme Court, and 2009 I filed application in Simran Jain versus Union of India, and she that I think 11 we had a order from the Supreme Court. Yes, you can go ahead, because 2 years, 3 years I almost fought with all the states. The 29 states, 2 states have already included now, and then I again fought for the all MBBS. I made a modalities that all AIMS candidates should be coming here in this NEET. PGI also has come. Every admission in the country will be with the NEET examination. No other exam will be conducted, and nothing doing, means everybody will get the admission. Now we are getting children, रिक्शे वाले का बच्चा आ रहा है, किसान का बच्चा आ रहा है, और कोई सब्जी वाले का बच्चा आ रहा है. बेटा तुम क्या करते हो इसके बाद में? मैम मैं सब्जी के लिए ना अपने मम्मी को काउंटर पर बैठा. मैंने कहा फिर तो उसको इम्प्रोवाइज़ करो, उसका वो होम डिलीवरी करो. बहुत सारे बच्चों ने मेरे होम डिलीवरी की है सब्जियों की ये कोरोना में। किसान बच्चों ने कोरोना अपने घर से पपीता ला के देते थे, कच्चे पपीता, लीवर वाले पेशेंट्स को। लीवर जो सेल्स है, लीवर जो जिनका लीवर ख़राब है, उनको बोलते थे आप ये कच्चा पपीता खा लो, सुबह शाम खाओ और बाकी खाना खाओ। और उन्होंने बहुत किया। ऐसे 2-2 बच्चे, 3-3 बच्चे मेरे पास है जिनकी दोनों टांगे भी कट गई है, बट स्टिल दे आर डूइंग थिंग्स एंड दे हैव बीन, आई लव टू हेल्प माई चिल्ड्रन। माई DG यूज्ड टू से तुम तो पूरे देश की माँ हो, मेरे को बनने का शौक नहीं। मैंने कहा मैं बहुत हूँ, मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं है किसी की, बट इट्स हैपन एंड आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू बाबा साहब आम्बेडकर बिकॉज ऑल हिज फॉलोइंग, कहते हैं ना कि ज़िंदगी में कर लेना चाहिए, जब आए मौका कर लो।
तथागत भगवान गौतम बुद्ध, परमपूज्य डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर, महात्मा ज्योतिबा फुले, सावित्रीबाई फुले यांच्या प्रतिमेस प्रथम अभिवादन करते। डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर हेल्थ ऑर्गनायझेशन नागपूर या प्रतिष्ठित डॉक्टर्स बंधू भगिनींच्या प्रतिष्ठित संघटनेच्या नवीन कार्यकारिणी पदग्रहण समारंभात आपण मला आमंत्रित केले, त्याबद्दल मी सर्वप्रथम आपले मनपूर्वक आभार व्यक्त करते। या देखण्या पदग्रहण समारंभात विचारपीठावर प्रमुख अतिथी म्हणून विराजमान महाराष्ट्र राज्याचे ऊर्जा मंत्री व नागपूर शहराचे पालकमंत्री माननीय नितीनजी राऊत साहेब, विशेष अतिथी म्हणून स्थानपन्न NEETच्या निर्मात्या आणि VWMC सफदरजंग न्यू दिल्ली येथील शरीररचना शास्त्र विभागाच्या डायरेक्टर प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर मंगला कोहली मॅडम, त्याचप्रमाणे विशेष अतिथी विश्वविख्यात व्यक्तिमत्व व नागपूर शहराचे भूषण सुप्रसिद्ध रोगतज्ञ डॉक्टर चंद्रशेखर मेश्राम सर, तसेच विचारपीठावर प्रामुख्याने उपस्थित असलेले संघटनेचे सन्माननीय सचिव माननीय निकेतन जांभूळकर, तसेच उपस्थित सर्व पदाधिकारी बंधू आणि भगिनींनो, सर्वप्रथम मी डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर हेल्थ ऑर्गनायझेशन या संघटनेच्या नवनियुक्त अध्यक्षा डॉक्टर त्रिशला डेमरे व सर्व नवीनयुक्त पदाधिकाऱ्यांचे अभिनंदन करते व त्यांच्या पुढील कार्यास सुयश चिंतिते। बंधू आणि भगिनींनो, डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर हे आपल्या सर्वांचे श्रद्धास्थान आणि प्रेरणास्थान आहेत। शिका, संघटित व्हा, संघर्ष करा हा मूल मंत्र त्यांनी भारतीय समाजाला दिला। आपल्यासोबत आपल्या देशाचा उत्कृष्ट साधा असा कृतिशील आदर्श बाबासाहेबांनी आपल्याला घालून दिलेला आहे, हे आपणास सर्वच जाणत आहोत। आपण बाबाच्या प्रेरणेने व आपल्या कष्टाने मेहनतीने संघर्ष करून शैक्षणिक, सामाजिक, वैद्यकीय, सांस्कृतिक अशा विविध क्षेत्रात नेत्रदीपक कामगिरी केली आहे। ही आपल्या सर्वांसाठी गौरवाची बाब आहे, हे आता कोणीही नाकारू शकत नाही। परंतु इतर क्षेत्रात तुलनेत आपल्या समाजाने आर्थिक, त्यातही औद्योगिक व व्यावसायिक क्षेत्रात म्हणावी तशी प्रगती केली नाही, हे आपण मान्यच केले पाहिजे। मी अत्यंत संघर्षातून व विपरीत परिस्थितीवर मात करून औद्योगिक क्षेत्रामध्ये मानाचे स्थान मिळवले आहे। सरकारी नोकऱ्या ह्या दिवसेंदिवस कमी होत असल्यामुळे आपल्या समाजातील तरुण तरुणी आता उद्योग क्षेत्राकडे वळणे आवश्यक झाले आहे। तसेच रोजगार मागण्यापेक्षा रोजगार देणारे होणे आवश्यक आहे, यासाठी विशेष प्रयत्नांची गरज आहे। डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर हेल्थ ऑर्गनायझेशन नागपूर ही संस्था वैद्यकीय क्षेत्रासोबतच इतरही क्षेत्रात विशेष कार्य करीत असल्याचे माझ्या लक्षात आले आहे। ही उच्च विद्या विभूषित आणि प्रतिष्ठित व्यवसाय करणारी डॉक्टर्स मंडळी संघटित होऊन जात, धर्म, पंथ, लिंग या विषमतेच्या भिंती ओलांडून समाजातील दुर्बळ घटकांसाठी महिला, अनाथ, अपंग, वृद्ध इत्यादी कार्यान्वित आहे।
बंधू भगिनी आणि मित्रांनो, खरोखरच मला आज या ठिकाणी अत्यंत आनंद होतो आहे की आजच्या या बदलत्या काळामध्ये सर्वप्रथम तर मी तुमच्या फॅटर्निटीचं या ठिकाणी धन्यवाद मानलं पाहिजे नागपूरचा पालकमंत्री या नात्यानं की मागील 2 वर्षात ज्या कोविडनी संपूर्ण जगामध्ये हाहाकार माजवला असताना आपल्या भारतात सुद्धा मोठ्या प्रमाणात सामाजिक आर्थिक स्थिती बिघडवण्याचं काम जे घडलं आणि जे अनेक लोक करोनामध्ये मृत्युमुखी पडलेत आणि त्यांचे जीव वाचवण्यासाठी आपण जे अतोनात कष्ट या ठिकाणी घेतलेत, कारण सामान्यजण घरात होते लॉकडाऊनच्या काळात, परंतु डॉक्टर्स मंडळी ही आपापल्या दवाखान्यात किंवा आपल्या नर्सिंग होममध्ये किंवा आपल्या हॉस्पिटलमध्ये कामावर होती आणि 24 तास त्यावेळेला ते देत असत. त्यामुळं तुमच्या फॅटर्निटीचं या ठिकाणी कितीही कौतुक केलं तरी कमी आहे. तुम्हाला सॅल्यूटच मी या प्रसंगी करतो आहे. बाहो ही संघटना 1993ला स्थापन झाली, परंतु त्याचे पाळमुळं हे त्याच्या पूर्वीच रचल्या गेलेल्या होत्या. डॉक्टर आंबेडकर मेडिकोज असोसिएशनच्या माध्यमातून आपल्या त्या काळातल्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी, म्हणजे वाघमारे साहेबांच्या काळात असेल कदाचित किंवा त्याच्या पूर्वीपासून असेल ते, त्यावेळेला सर्वांनी या पाठीमागे उभं राहण्याचं काम केलं आणि अनेक दशके पार पाडत असताना आपण आज या संस्थेचे नवीन पदाधिकारी यांचा पदग्रहण सोहळा या ठिकाणी करतो आहोत. मी या सर्वांना सर्वप्रथम या ठिकाणी हार्दिक शुभेच्छा देतो, त्यांचं अभिनंदन करतो. मला वाटतं की बाहो ही संघटना तयार करत असताना याचे जे संस्थापक आहेत त्या मंडळींनी त्यावेळेला हा विचार केला असेल की आपल्या समाजातील गरीब गरजू अशा लोकांना वैद्यकीय क्षेत्रामधून आपण कशा पद्धतीने त्यांना सहकार्य करू शकू, त्यांचं आरोग्य चांगलं राहावं यासाठी काय प्रयत्न आपल्याला करता येऊ शकतात आणि त्यांची सेवासुद्धा त्या माध्यमातून झाली पाहिजे. आज खऱ्या अर्थानं आपण सर्व लोकांनी धन्य समजलं पाहिजे आपल्याला की डॉक्टर चंद्रशेखर मेश्रामसारखा एमिनंट, वेल नोन, इंटरनॅशनली वेल नोन पर्सनॅलिटी, ज्यांच्या नावामुळं देशात आणि जगात आणि आपल्या विदर्भातसुद्धा आपल्या समाजातील लोकांना एक वेगळं महत्त्व प्राप्त झालं. चाहूल आपल्या राज्यातसुद्धा त्याची पावलं आता उमटणं सुरू झालेली आहेत. आज आपण या ठिकाणी एकत्रित आलो, कदाचित 1 महिन्यानंतर काय स्थिती राहील मला सांगता येणार नाही. निश्चितपणे काळजी करायचं सुद्धा काही कारण नाही. जरी मी डॉक्टर नसलो तरी आपल्या वतीनं मी सांगू इच्छेन या ठिकाणी की ज्यांनी 2 डोजेस घेतलेले आहेत वॅक्सिनेशनचे, त्यांच्यावर फारसा इफेक्ट होणार नाही, परंतु त्याची स्पीड 6 टाइम्स जास्त आहे आपल्या डेल्टा व्हेरियंटपेक्षा, आणि त्यामुळं काळजी तर आहे, मृत्यू होणार नाही, कमी प्रमाण आहे त्याचं. परंतु सर्वांनी जर काळजी घेतली तर जास्त उपयोगाचं ठरणार आहे. आणि त्यामध्ये सेवेचं व्रत आपण जे घेतलं बाहोनी, ते करायला मला असं वाटतं की या ठिकाणी अध्यक्षांच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाली आपण सर्व चांगल्या पद्धतीने या ठिकाणी काम करू शकतो, ओळखतो सुद्धा. त्यामुळं त्यांच्या कर्तृत्वाच्या बद्दल पावती मी निश्चितपणे देऊ शकतो, गॅरंटी घेऊ शकतो. आणि चांगलं काम या ठिकाणी होऊ शकेल आणि सर्व आपण मिळून करू. कुणी एकटा करेल अशातला भाग नाही, तर हे सर्व मिळून आपण करू शकू हा विश्वास या ठिकाणी व्यक्त करतो आणि आपणा सर्वांना शुभेच्छा देऊन थांबतो. धन्यवाद. जय भीम.